All right, Moria Zimbabwe. I think this is the most important document I have ever read about the constitutional amendment kuda kuitwa kuti munyatsonzwisisa. I think this is the best one. So it have been issued by Zimbabwe Council of Churches. Tosotoiziva Zimbabwe Council of Churches. You know what the department rezvemachechi muzimbabwe. It's a powerful thing. It's a non-governmental, a non-profit organization. Vane maoffices avo 27 St Patrick Road, Hatfield, Harare, Zimbabwe. And it is so vaishua a document right here vachitaura pamusoro pekuda kuextendwa kuri kuitwa term naMnangagwa, and they are talking to the people of Zimbabwe. Chinzwai kuti muri kukwana papi because rakakosha. So right, document rekuti Constitution Amendment Bill number 3. Right. The government of Zimbabwe has proposed major changes to the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Our supreme law, approved by over 94% of voters in 2013, the amendment proposes the following changes. Right. 1. Extend terms of office. Increase the president's and parliament's terms from 5 to 7 years, allowing current office holders to remain in power until at least 2030 without a fresh election. Munofanira kunzwisisa kuti apa pakupindwa pa exactly zvakaproposwa naMnangagwa, but vachikupai kunzwisisa pamusoro pezvo. So tereresai. Number 2, appointment of the prosecutor general. The bill gives the president the power to appoint the prosecutor general entirely at his own discretion, without any advisory role from the Judicial Services Commission. 3. Qualifications and appointment. Tisati pa 3, muri kufanira kunzwisisa kuti chii chiri kutogwa. It's a power grab. Muri kufanira kunzwisisa the grab yepower iri kutogwa ichiiswa maoko anhu. And once zvasvika ikokoko, it's almost impossible to reverse that system, because system iyoyo inotoexista pane rinopasi ratora kuri nzvimbo dzakaita sana naNorth Korea, where they created that system, and nanhasi iri kuexista, and it's almost impossible to change, because vana North Korea vatova nemanuclear weapon. So even vana United States kuti vapindire vanenge vachitovhunduka, vanenge vachitoziva kuti ya togona kunohwina but chetambokuvadziwawo. So regai tipinde kuti munzwisise. Right. Number 3, qualifications and appointment of attorney general. The attorney general shall be a person qualified to be a Supreme Court judge. The amendment allows the president to appoint the attorney general without public interviews and consultation with the Judicial Service Commission. Iro power ringi ratotogwa kana mungaona bill number 3 rikabudira. Power ratoiswa mumachi maoko apresident, zvokuti unongochuza iye zvemusoro wake whoever asarudza kuti this is now the attorney general. Saka iye munhu akachuzwa in that manner anogona kudzingwa futi in that manner, which means that person will have to serve the interest of the president rather than the interest of his position. Let's go. Mirai Munzu. Number 4, abolishment and restructuring of Zimbabwe Gender Commission. The bills seek to abolish the ZGC as an independent Chapter 12 institution and transfer its functions to the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission. Right. Number 5, removal of the duty of the defense forces to uphold the constitution. Vari kuti masoja hachafaniri kuita uphold the constitution. Kureva kuti masoja cannot enforce the constitution in the country. Zvinova zvavari kuita right now. Masoja, the army, inonzi they are there to uphold. Zvati kana president akatanga kuita zvisiri muconstitution, masoja anogona kumumanikidza kuti aite zviri muconstitution. Ndo zvatakanyora muconstitution yedu as of right now, but vari kuda kuzvichinja. The bill proposes to amend Section 212 by deleting the requirement for the defense forces to uphold this constitution and replacing it with the phrase in accordance with the constitution, which is in accordance with the constitution, which is to respect to just follow orders even blindly from the commander in chief, who is the president. It's a power grab. murezimbabwe and once vatora sezvizvipawa kuridzosa upenyu hwedu hwese togona kusafata zviona zvakadaro because vanenge vakungopanana power riya from one president to the other vechimhuri. Guide number 6, removal of political restrictions of traditional leaders. The bill proposes to remove the constitutional requirement that traditional leaders must be non-partisan. It will allow traditional leaders to openly participate in political activities and removes constitutional requirement of political neutrality of traditional leaders. So right now, tinoti madzishe haafaniri kuwanikwa achitamba politics, haasi wezanu, haasi weMDC, haasi wetriple C, haasi wechii, which is a good thing because it's a public position and you don't need you to be affiliated with any political position. You just say you are working under the government. Kuitira government basa rekugadzirisa nokutonga nyaya dzemumaruwa and you get paid from the government, kwete from a political party. Right. So let's go. Number 7, expansion. But so apa vari kuda kutora that power away, vopa madzishe kuti right, madzishe you have to be loyal to ZANU-PF, otherwise hatikupi mota. And then from there madzishe akufamba ndo vatova manumber 1 people kupromota ZANU-PF. Apa ivo they are supposed to promote our own cultural stuff rather than ZANU-PF. Number 7, expansion of constitutional court jurisdiction. The jurisdiction of the constitutional court will be expanded. The amendment allows cases of public interest to be brought before the court and not just constitutional matters. 8, abolish independent commissions. The bill abolishes the National Peace and Reconciliation Commission, NPRC, and the Zimbabwe Gender Commission, which were created to promote peace, accountability, and gender equality. That's why these things were created. And this bill was trying to take that away. We don't know why. It's just consolidation of power. Number 9, avoid the referendum safeguard. Section 328 says current leaders cannot benefit from extending their own terms unless approved in a referendum. The bill seeks to bypass this protection. It's either vakomana vari kuita zvinhu vakatodhakwa zvekuti bhozi kana makadhakwa memuchingoti haiwa ndezvavo izvo kana kauchinzi vari soba chaichaka vangada vasingabudikiri vachitaura zvakadai. So and even team ida inenge ichisapota kunyatsokuzviona iwo kuti pakutozocreatwa chimwe chisystem panapa cheauthoritarianism takatarisa in 2026, but handisi kuona zvichibudirira ino, hazvibudiriri. So rakaiti ndeba number 10 ndiyo removes your right to vote for the president. Presidential elections will be abolished and instead parliament will choose the president. So tozati vazhinji venyu makangowa nezvenoisi mamusati mambonyatsokuriwa bill number 3. Iri ndoronzi bill number 3 iro chairo chairo. Right. Number 11, increases president's influence over judges. Increases president's influence over judges. Makoti asina basa. President ndiye wangova like chimwari, wava mwari wokuti is powerful more than judges. Inzwai. Removes public involvement in appointing judges and increases the president's power in the appointment of judges. The same judges vatechida kuti vatonge nyaya dzekuti munhu wetriple C wadanso nemunhu weZANU-PF vasarudzwa vaiswa pachigaro ichochocho nemunhu weZANU-PF. As make sense. Number 12, increases president's control of parliament. Varikuda kutokontrola parliament president. An extra 10 unelected senators will be appointed by the president. Kungowedzera more power avo kana pachivhotegwa something une extra vanhu 10 vawangosarudzewo from nowhere vekuti they have to do what, as you say, zvinhu zvacho tizoti magrade 1 hande kumberi. An extra 10 unelected senators will be appointed by the president, and the requirement that chiefs be non-partisan will be removed. This would allow the ruling party to retain Senate control without a majority voter support. Handisi kuona zvibudirira izvi. Handei, number 13. Repeal of the National Peace and Reconciliation Commission. The bill proposes the repeal of the NPRC, raising questions about the pending investigations and victims' rights and disrupting ongoing reconciliation processes. Right. Number 14, ndoyekupedzisira amendment iri kutsvagwa kuti iitwe. Increases president's control of election. Manje pangaita fairness sei kana president vari kucontrola ma-elections avari kuda kuvhotegwa futi. But key functions of electoral administration are moved from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Voter registration function is moved to the Registrar General, and boundary delimitation to a delimitation commission, both appointees of the president. Vosa kuruda kuisonza voters row yakuiswa maoko emunhu akangosarudzwa napresident pachinzvimbo icho changoisiwa asina kuqualify asina kudi, which means anongosave mind. Wotozonzwa kwai pane ma-MP akavhotera zvinhu zvakadai so, but chero vakada kuvhotera zvinhu izvi vanofanira kuuya futi kwatiri kureferendum tojamuka. So kana kuti vamwe vobvuma vanobvuma, isusu vanojamuka vojamuka, vanobvuma vobvuma. Pana apa tiri independent sezvamuri kungonzwa, hatina side. So imimi ndi munojaja. So inzwai zviri kunzi muite neveZimbabwe Council of Churches, because remember iyi document rabudiswa neZimbabwe Council of Churches iri kuti how the constitution is amended. Submit comments by 15 May 2026. And then pane email address kwaurifanira kusubmita ma-comments ako semwana muZimbabwe. clerk@pauzim.gov.zw. So regaitiite zvokupai spelling. Clerk, CLERK at, but I think iripo pa screen up. Iripo pa screen. But regaiti kupe clerk@PARLZIM.gov.zw or Parliament Building, Mount Hamden. Mount Hamden unogona kuindako straight. Attend public hearings and contribute. Discuss the bill with friends and family to raise awareness. Taurai nai chero muchemberi wako kana kuti mudhara kana kuti chero mukadzi wako asiti afari zvepolitics mutipiri kana kuti murume wako kana uri munhukadzi anditi. Discuss the bill with friends and family. Right. Exercise your constitutional rights peacefully and lawfully. Pray for integrity, wisdom, and courage. How the constitution is amended. A bill is gazetted, followed by 90 days of public consultation, then passed by a 2/3 parliamentary majority and referendum where required before being signed into law by the president. Right. This was a serious awareness call from the Zimbabwe Council of Churches, and it's telling you exactly Churches bill number 3. Those are bill number 3 ka inyaya yekuti president ada kuwedzera makore saka hatogona kungomuwedzera usingazivi kuti ari kuda kutora powers izvi ari kuda kucentralize powers izvi ari kutomeka sure kuti he will be president for life, because now if he gets all this power ikana papasa ma-amendments apa, but once he get this power in 2030 anenge achine imwe plan, and ndiko zvino zvava more powerful zvokuti anenge asingachachinji ma-institutions mazhinji anenge angova under iye dzangova family mafanis. but handisi kuona zvichibudirira because mukutoona kuti vana Zimbabwe Council of Churches machichichi pabuda vanhu vakawanda right now, madepartments akawanda kutodza kuti haasi kubvumira nazvo. So garai panapa paMutapa Times munozora hapana chinopfuura chisina kusvika kwamuri.